everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back. If you are new here, I do travel, cooking, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. The Christmas season is almost here, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing about what we are going to do this year for our Advent or countdown to Christmas. Every year, we like to do something fun to get excited about Christmas coming up, and in the past couple years, for our countdown to Christmas, we did the Disney Storybook a Day Advent, and that is a really fun thing to do with kids, especially kids that love stories, that love reading. My kids are really big into books and they all love to read. It was definitely something that they enjoyed doing the last few years. I highly recommend it. I did a video last year sharing all about the Disney Storybook a Day Advent. If you want to go check out that video, I will have a link for it in the description box below. This year, however, we're going to be doing something totally different for our countdown to Christmas. And this is actually something that my son had asked me about last year over and over. I told him that this year would be the year we would do it. And that is the Lego Advent or Countdown to Christmas set. My kids also really enjoy Legos. They have enjoyed Legos for years. They continue to ask for Lego sets for both Christmas and their birthdays. Legos are something that my kids all enjoy together, or they will enjoy playing with them individually. I really like that having this as our countdown to Christmas is something that my kids, being a variety of ages, can all enjoy together. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Lego a Day Advent set that we're going to be using. And now, just to let you know, there are a lot of these Lego Advent a Day Countdown to Christmas sets out there. Lego brand themselves carries a lot of them. If you have only boys, they have Lego City. If you have only girls, they have Lego Friends. There is definitely a lot out there. So go on Amazon and check it out if you want to see what's all available out there. The Lego Advent Countdown to Christmas set that I got for my kids, however, is just the generic Legos. But I read the reviews. It looked like it was a good one to go with. Plus, everything about it is Christmas theme. I believe all my kids are going to love putting these together each day leading up to Christmas. And one of the things that I personally love about the Countdown to Christmas is they are always going to be 24 days. I have 4 kids, so I could divide the days up evenly. I'm not buying them all their own set. They're going to share it. They're going to take turns each day opening it up, and then they'll get to put together that kit that day. Depending upon how many kids you have, however you want to do it, I believe that this is a fun activity for kids to do leading up to Christmas Day. Let me go ahead and share with you right now the Lego Advent Countdown to Christmas set that I got for my kids this year. Well, here is the set that I went with. You could see all the different things you build in this set are very Christmassy. Definitely will be fun for the month of Christmas. Also, from what I read about this particular set and a lot of these Lego Advent sets, is that these small kits that you make daily can also be combined to make an even bigger creation once you get them all put together. Opening up the box right now, you could see just how it is laid out. I think it looks really nice how it is laid out like a countdown calendar here. Each day will be a box for them to open up, kind of like a little gift a day. And opening up the first box here, you could see that the daily kit is inside. Along with it, we'll have the instructions. We won't know until we get them put together. I believe this one's got a little pink in it, so I think that this one is going to be this house, possibly. Real quick, I wanted to share, originally I had bought this other Lego Advent Calendar Countdown to Christmas kit. Then I ended up returning it because I did not really like how the numbers looked inside. I don't know, I'm a visual person. It still had the countdown, but I didn't like how it was laid out as much as the other one. Thankfully though, they were the same idea. They were roughly around the same price. But I went with this one here overall because I did like the look of it better. And hopefully, once we get everything put together, it will have been worth it. We won't know, of course, how it all turns out until after we've done the whole countdown, but I'm planning to write an honest review that I will put in the description box below sometime after the holiday season when we've completed this whole set. Besides liking how the numbers are laid out, I just really think it looks nice in this box alone. I think that this would make a great gift for you to give to a child, either your own child or a grandchild before the holiday season. If you are interested in purchasing this exact set, I will have a link for it provided in the description box below so you can find it more easily. That is it. That is what we are going to be doing this year for Advent, our countdown to Christmas. I hope this was helpful. I hope it gave you a new idea for something you can do with your kids leading up to Christmas Day. If you got any value out of this video or enjoyed, please hit the like button. I appreciate you watching, and may you have a beautiful holiday season.